Hi everyone, it's Tara. So I am back to share with you a traveler's notebook that I created for myself. It is a astrology themed B6 size traveler's notebook. And I have been studying astrology probably for about 2 years now. I've always been interested in it, and I just find it very fascinating. And it's a great tool to use to, learn about yourself. And I have learned so much about myself through the study of astrology, and I'm learning something new every single day. So I wanted to create something where I can put all of my notes and my thoughts. So that's why I created this. So in astrology, if you guys don't know, you're not just your sun sign. A lot of people, when someone says what's your sign, they go by your sun sign, but actually your moon and your rising sign are extremely important, especially in astrology, to learn about yourself. So that's why you'll see 3 different signs. I just wanted to kind of explain that in case anyone was confused. So my sun sign is Aquarius, and it is Aquarius season, so happy birthday to my fellow Aquas. But yeah, so let me show you what I used, and then we'll get into the traveler's notebook. So I used the paper from DCWV, the Zodiac paper, and I did pick this up from Joann's. It's really, really pretty. I love the purples in it, and the hollow, really, really cool. So got that. And then I also used this holographic cardstock that I also picked up from Joann's. And I used this to mat some of the cut aparts. I used some of these Tim Holtz metallic stickers. And I think I got these from Joann's as well. And then for the notebooks, I used these 2 that I picked up from Michael. So this one was 88 cents, I believe. And I used 2 of these because they're a little bit thinner. So I used 2 of these, and I just removed the cover. They are sewn, both booklets are sewn. So I just carefully removed the cover and wrapped the pattern paper around it, and then I also used one of these, and this one was 67 cents, and like I said, it came from Walmart. So I just kind of, this is a plastic cover, so I just carefully cut the cover off. Okay, so that is that. All right, so let's start with the charm. So I created this charm here, this charm dangle, and I did wire wrap all of the beads. This Aquarius charm was a pack that I got from, I want to say Joann's a while ago. Might have been Michael's. And it was from Jolie's. So, and I did add the little gem on there myself. But all of the beads have been wire wrapped. And I use like a gunmetal chain and a wire for them. So here's another one of those charms that came in that pack by Jolie's. So that's that. And I did use a 6 elastic binding, I guess you can say. And I followed Luisa's tutorial to create the traveler's notebook, and I use 5 mil laminate, and I'll leave all the links down below to all of the tutorials that I followed that I think you guys might find to be helpful. So the elastic, I use this purple elastic that I picked up from AliExpress, and then I wanted to do something different, and so I made this charm here to hang on the front. And so this is another, the symbol, the Aquarius symbol was part of that pack, again from Jolie's, and then these 2 were some charms that I got from Michael's, and it just has the sign, it had all the zodiac signs in that pack, and I thought those were really cute. So here's that one, and then back there, and then I just added a couple little beads, and yeah, so I thought that came out really cute. And so here's the back. Love the galaxy on this, galaxy paper. All right, so let's get into this. So on the inside cover, I did use one of the Target pockets, but I used my fuse tool to cut it down because I didn't need such a large pocket. I just kind of wanted it to be small. And then I used various die cuts, you'll see, to cut out the cut-aparts and the mats. And so that came out really cute. And so I just wanted a shallow pocket for this. And my favorite part, other than the charm, is the sequins. So I did create a shaker pocket. And I love the way this came out. And most of the sequins I got from Cartwright sequins. Some of them I got from Michaels. And I believe the black stars came from Party City. But I think this mix is really, really pretty. Love it. Okay, so that's that. And then this is a folder. Again, I followed Luisa's tutorial. And I just matted some of the, or one of the cut-aparts. And I created this paper clip using some of my beads. And I just wanted to do something different. So I made a paper clip out of some beads. And I will try to do a tutorial if anyone's interested. So that just clips on like that. Okay, so this is the folder. I just have some cut-aparts in here. Here's one of the cut-aparts that I made. And then here I used, this is actually a Happy Planner sticker. I stuck that on there. I just die cut this from, I'm not even sure what collection or where that came from, but I just die cut that. Thought that was cute. And then I used my Tim Holtz Scribbles die, and I die cut out the heart with the holographic paper. Stuck that on the back. Here's the other side of that shaker pocket, and I just clipped this on because I wasn't sure if I wanted to permanently adhere it to that paper, but I did make another little paper clip here with the beads. And on the other side of that, again, some more die cuts that are matted. And so here's the first insert, and I don't know if you can tell, but I did use that Spectrum Noir sparkle pen over top of this. So I don't know if the camera's picking, oh there we go. Picking up that sparkle. And then again another die cut with the hollow paper. Okay, so on the inside of here, I just used some of those Tim Holtz stickers and die cut out a banner and put that on top. So it's that, and then on the back here I added some more of those stickers. This one actually came from the Happy Planner, one of the Happy Planner sticker sets. And then on the back, again, another Happy Planner sticker. I just thought that was cute. And here's another folder that I created and added some die cuts using that hollow paper. When I made this folder, it started cracking on the edge, so I added some of this washi tape, and I love the way that came out. And this washi tape came from Target, I want to say last year. It's a Scotch brand, but it's really pretty. So I just put that along the edge there. Again, just some more cut-aparts from the collection that I will use. And here's a negative, I use the negative space from this die cut. I thought I had that, I don't have it in front of me. But this die set came from, oh here it is. It came from Tuesday Morning. Wait a minute. Oh, here it is. Oops. Here we go. So that's that, and that's that shine that I used as well. So this is, yeah, I got that last year on Tuesday Morning. So that's what I used there. Again, some more cut-aparts, like I said, from the collection, and I just used my die, a stitch die that I got from, I want to say, AliExpress. And so that's that. And on the back, I just added another heart die cut. Here is the next booklet. Again, use my dies to cut out the cut parts, and use some hollow paper. I did create this paper clip out of some material that I got from AliExpress last year sometime, and so I just made a little bow paper clip. Okay, and this paper has that hollow on it too. And I don't have any stickers on the inside of these papers, but I did make one of the page markers, and I followed Bona's tutorial where she used the laminate to create a pocket. You could also use a clear bag to do that. I mean anything, just to make sure that the laminate doesn't stick to the paper, and then cut it open. But I did follow her tutorial. And so I used 3mm laminate for this, and I kind of wish I would have used the 5, but it still works. It's just a little flimsier. And I created the top here with some a banner die, and then those stickers from Tim Holtz. Here's the other side of that. Okay, so that's that booklet. And then this is the last booklet here, and I just adhered the die, or the cut apart that I matted, and made another little paper clip out of some beads there. And here I added another die cut, and then some more, or another sticker from the Happy Planner sticker collection. And that's the back. And so that is it. That is my, I think I'm going to call it Cosmic Love because my love of astrology. And yeah, so that is my Traveler's Notebook. I hope that you guys like it. Let me know what you think. And give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. If you have any questions, you know, I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. If you have any comments, I'd love to read them. So please leave them down below, and check out the links for any of the tutorials that you might be interested in. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.